Canelo Alvarez is a Mexican professional boxer who is a 4-division world champion. He has held the unified WBA, WBC, the ring and lineal middleweight titles since 2018, the IBF middleweight title from May to August 2019 and the WBA super middleweight title since 2018. He previously held the WBA, WBC and ring light middleweight titles between 2011 and 2013. The WBC ring and lineal middleweight titles between 2015 and 2018, the WBO little middleweight title from 2016 to 2017 and the WBO light heavyweight title from November to December 2019. Alvarez is known as an excellent counter-puncher, being able to exploit openings in his opponent's guards while avoiding punches with head and body movement. He is also known as a formidable body puncher. As of November 2019, Alvarez is ranked as the world's best active boxer, pound for pound by BoxRec, the ring, the Transnational Boxing Rankings Board, and by the Boxing Writers Association of America. He is also ranked as the world's best active middleweight by the TBRB, the world's sixth best active super middleweight by the ring and the TBRB, as well as the world's best active light heavyweight by BoxRec and fourth by the TBRB. In an interview, Alvarez explained that he was born on the outskirts of Guadalajara, Jalisco, but his family is originally from Los Reyes, Michoacan. At the age of 5, his family moved to their current home of Junacatlan, Jalisco. Growing up on his family's farm, he learned horseback riding, which he continues today. Alvarez is the youngest of 8 children, 7 of them boys. All of his brothers also became professional boxers. Canelo in Spanish is the masculine word for cinnamon, which is a common nickname for people with red hair. His mother Ana Maria also has red hair. In Mexico, it is common for people to associate red hair with the Irish soldiers who fought for Mexico in the St. Patrick's Battalion during the Mexican-American War. Alvarez turned professional at 15 shortly after his championship at the Junior Nationals because his trainers at the time, father and son Tim Chipo and Eddie Renzo, were unable to find suitable junior opponents for him. In his first 19 months as a professional, his 6th round technical knockout win over Luciano Leonel Coelho for the WBC silver light middleweight title was held at the Vicente Fernandez Arena. Alvarez was engaged to Marisol Gonzalez, who is Miss Mexico Universe 2003 and a sports reporter of Television Reporters. He has 2 daughters and 1 son, all from different relationships. He is also a boxing promoter in Mexico. His company Canelo Promotions was established in 2010 and his business partners are his trainers, father and son Tim Chipo and Eddie Reynoso. As of 2013, Canelo Promotions represented 40 boxers throughout Mexico. On 13 September 2019, Alvarez announced via social media that he would move up 2 weight classes to challenge WBO light heavyweight title holder Sergey Kovalev on 2 November 2019 at the MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas. Alvarez won the bout via 11th round KO to become a 4-division world champion. He joined Thomas Harness, Sugar Ray Leonard and Mike McCallum as the only former junior middleweight champions in history to win a title at light heavyweight.